Hi everyone, have a nice day. Today I'm going to explain you these 4 questions that I shared with you. So first one is from category 1 from online math challenge past papers from last year's questions. So the question was, what is D plus C? And the rule is the sum of horizontal and vertical columns plus diagonals are equal. So what we are going to do is, if you check carefully, here all the squares are given, so we can calculate what is the total. Total is 1.8. After that, so since they have all equal sum, so here 2 of them given, 1 is not given, so we can calculate what is A. So A comes 0.6. After we get A, and we already have 0.8, so we can find C. So 0.8 plus C plus A, which is 0.6, equals 1.8. So C comes 0.4. And also, if we check this diagonal, A plus 0.5 plus D equals, again, 1.8, same total. So from here, we get D equals 0.7. And finally, the question asks, what is D plus C? D plus C is 0.4 plus 0.7, 1.1. Okay. So our next question is from category 2, grade 6-7 level past papers. So here we have 1, 2, 3 blank cells. So first we will find A and B, then we will find C. To get A, it is given that we need to subtract these 2 numbers. But be careful, this is subtraction and this is negative. That is the tricky part probably. So 8 over 5 minus 0.4. So you can change 0.4 into a fraction, or you may change your fraction to decimal, but so we need to change 1 into another type. So negative times negative gives us positive. So, and 0.4, there will be a point here. So let's put a point. It's not clear maybe. Okay, 0.4. So here's 0.4. 8 over 5 plus 4 over 10. So you can simplify this, or you can expand this to make down parts equal. So if we simplify, we will get 2 over 5. So now bottoms are same. 8 plus 2, 10 over 5 equals 2. So the part A is 2. And for part B, we need to subtract these 2. Sorry, this is multiplication. So 1 over 8 minus 1 over 8 times negative 16. So 16 and 8, we can cancel out and we get 2. Since this is negative and this is positive, the result is negative 2. And finally, we need to add these 2 numbers. First one was positive 2, second one is negative 2, so result is 0. Okay, so our next question from category 3, grade 8 and 9 level. And so we have a regular hexagon. The shape is not matching with the real values, but so you can consider this as a regular one. So what we can do is first we can focus on some part of this hexagon, regular hexagon. So if we draw a line from here, and if we connect this point with the centers, so since these 2 are the radius, by the way, since the diameter is 6, the radius is 3. So from center to the perimeter, this is 3, this is 3. So these 2 are radius, and both of them 3, 3. And likewise, if you join center with this point, again, we will have the same case, 3, 3. And since this is an hexagon, when we draw a line from here, so this will be an angle bisector. And for hexagon, interior angle is 120 degrees. So it will divide into 2 equal parts, 60, 60. Since these are isosceles, 60, 60, and the last one comes also 60. Likewise, this one is 60. So because of isoscelousness, these two are 60, 60, and the last one also 60. So we have equilateral triangles here. So same case we have for this one. So it means that if you look at these arcs or the sectors carefully, each has 60, 60, 60 degrees. It means this sector has a perimeter of 60 degrees. And how many such we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if we put all these together, it will make just a circle with radius 3. So what we need to calculate is calculate perimeter of a circle with radius 3. So 2 pi r, which is equal to 6 pi. And the final question for today is from category 4, level grade 10 to 11. And here there is a geometric sequence. Term 5, term 6 are given. And the question is, what is term 8? So from geometric sequences, we know that we need to know the formula. So A5 equals A times R power 4. So A is the first term, R is the common multiple. So the power is 1 less than the number of terms. So if this is 5, this will be 4. Likewise, for term 6, AR 5. So when we divide these two, so we are going to get, if we divide A6 by A5, so A times R power 5 divided by R power 4. So we are going to get R, the common multiple, which is 7 over 128 times 64 over 7. When we simplify, we are going to get R equals 1 over 2. So if R is 1 over 2, A8 will be equal to R2 times A6, because the 8th term is A times R power 7. So we already have A times R power 5. So if we multiply this by R power 2, so we are going to get A times R power 7. So since R is 1 over 2, 1 over 2 squared times A6, which is 7 over 128, and the result will be 7 over 512. Thank you very much. So stay safe. Have a nice day.